morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Okay, traders, this video is being filmed on Tuesday night for Wednesday's trading, November 4th, 2009. And I'm here to say this to you. It is FOMC meeting day, Fed Day, the Federal Open Market Committee. That's when the federal government gets together and decides whether or not they will raise, lower, or do nothing with interest rates. As we all know, the likelihood of the Fed touching interest rates is about this high. They're not going to touch rates. But interesting what will happen after the meeting when the Fed comes out with their announcement, or the language that they will use in their statement will set the tone for weeks to come in our markets. If their statement has anything to do with the possibility of interest rates getting raised in the near-term future, we're going to have a lot of movement. I don't think we're going to hear much at all from the Fed. I think they'll kind of word the statement towards the possibility down the road one day of interest rate hikes, and that won't really change the picture that we see out there. But you never know when it comes to Fed meetings, and worse than that, you don't know how the traders around this world are going to react to the Fed. Either they do something or not, or what their statement is. Traders go nuts after it, and you see it. You see it every Fed day. The market goes like this and like that and like this, even if the Fed doesn't do anything. So what we do here at the Emini Trading Academy is we do not trade financial instruments on Fed Day. We almost trade nothing, but we did see a soybean trade that looked quite interesting. So if you must trade, stay out of the financials. And maybe, just maybe, we'll take a look at a soybeans trade because we have a green Omni for soybeans once again, baby, and we'll see what's going to happen. No charts, no fluff, nothing in this video. I'm here to say this. Don't trade financial instruments on a Fed day. Just don't bother trading. If you are going to trade something, we'll look at the grains. If a trade sets up, I will flash update you immediately and tell you what we are doing. Until then, I am doing nothing but observing, and that's what I hope you will do. So traders, let's see what happens. Let the Fed make their move. I know they won't do anything, but just let it happen. You don't have to be in this market every day. None of us have to be in this market every day. So let's just sit tight and use our discipline and keep our fingers off the keyboards. So let's see what's going to happen. All right, traders, that's about it. I'm getting out of here. If you want to know about the soybean trade, come on down to www.livewithoscar.com. Jump into the free chat rooms, and we will certainly be there to tell you about the soybean trade, if in fact it does set up. All right, traders, have a nice day tomorrow because there's not much for you to do except for observe if you are going to follow your trading rules, if you follow the rules here at the Omni Trading Academy. Don't forget, at all times, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do is to say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is? Stops are in! Emotions are out! Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I'm a 27-year seasoned trader on and off the trading floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years.